Ever wondered how copper can change the world of technology? Well, let's dive into the microscopic realm of copper nanotechnology. This intriguing field involves the manipulation of copper particles at the nanoscale. It might be hard to fathom, but at this tiny scale, copper begins to show off unique properties that are quite different from its bulk counterparts. Imagine a world where this humble element known to humanity since the dawn of civilization suddenly reveals a new side of itself, promising to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. From healthcare to electronics, energy storage, and even environmental applications, copper nanoparticles are emerging as a game changer. They're not just enhancing product performance, but also introducing brand new functionalities that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. This technological advancement is paving the way for innovations across various industries. So, brace yourself as we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of copper nanotechnology. Imagine a world where surfaces kill bacteria and viruses on contact. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with the advent of copper nanotechnology, this is becoming a reality. Copper particles at the nanoscale exhibit unique properties, one of which is their potent antimicrobial activity. When these tiny copper particles come into contact with bacteria or viruses, they can destroy them, thereby preventing their spread. This is particularly useful in healthcare settings where infection control is paramount. Think about it. Door handles, bed rails, even surgical tools coated with copper nanoparticles could drastically reduce the transmission of infectious diseases. The beauty of this technology lies in its simplicity. The copper nanoparticles don't need any external power or activation to work. They simply sit on the surface, ready to annihilate any pathogen that dares to land. Copper's ability to destroy pathogens on contact makes these coatings invaluable in hospitals, reducing the transmission of infectious diseases. Truly, copper nanotechnology is a game-changer in modern healthcare. Now, let's switch gears and look at how copper is revolutionizing the electronics industry. Copper nanoparticles, with their high conductivity and large surface area, are proving to be game-changers. Picture this: the tiny building blocks of your smartphone or tablet becoming even smaller yet more powerful. That's the promise of copper nanoparticles. These minuscule particles, barely visible to the naked eye, are making a big impact. They're being used to create smaller, more efficient components for electronic devices. This means we can pack more power into a smaller space. Think about the implications. Your devices could become even more compact, yet their performance could skyrocket. What's more, these nanoparticles are not just shrinking the size of components, they're also improving their efficiency. This is crucial in an age where we're constantly seeking ways to conserve energy and reduce waste. Copper nanoparticles help in the development of more efficient and smaller electronic components, which are crucial for the advancement of devices like smartphones and tablets. But copper isn't just making our devices smaller and faster, it's also making our batteries more powerful. You see, copper nanoparticles are being used to supercharge our energy storage systems. How, you ask? Well, let's break it down. Copper at the nanoscale has a remarkably high surface area and excellent conductivity. So when these tiny copper particles are incorporated into the electrodes of batteries, they make a significant impact. They boost the conductivity of the battery, making it charge faster, but that's not all. The high surface area of copper nanoparticles also allows the battery to hold more energy. This means not only do the batteries charge quicker, they also store more power. In a world increasingly reliant on electric vehicles and renewable energy storage solutions, this advancement is a game changer. Copper nanotechnology is being used to enhance the performance of batteries, leading to batteries that charge faster and hold more power. So, it seems the future of energy storage is looking bright, and copper is leading the charge. Now let's take a minute to consider how copper can help us clean up our environment. Copper nanoparticles are proving to be a game changer in environmental applications, especially in the arena of water purification systems. You see, these tiny particles have the ability to break down pollutants and remove contaminants from water. How does this work, you ask? Well, when incorporated into filtration systems, these nanoparticles interact with water pollutants, breaking them down into less harmful components or completely neutralizing them. They can tackle a range of contaminants, from heavy metals to microorganisms, making our water safer to consume and reducing the impact on our ecosystems. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's already being used in various parts of the world to provide clean drinking water, especially in areas where traditional purification methods aren't feasible. Copper nanoparticles provide a sustainable option for clean water technologies, underlining its pivotal role in advancing modern technology.